What's up, everybody? Haki here from Haki'sWorld. Should go across somewhere right there. But we are here today for an unboxing. Well, you know, it's already open. Of the DIY Kaotica eyeball. And by DIY, go buy a foam ball on Amazon. Definitely not the hundreds you're going to spend on Kaotica. But this, combined with your popper stopper, the mic that you're going to use, my new baby anyway, and a hole saw set. I'm going to put all these together with my drill and a trusty carpenter's knife. So, with just that, we're going to try to recreate the Kaotica eyeball. I've done it before, but this is my second attempt, and hopefully it's a better one. I'll show you my first one too. Here we go. So you see, it's a dense foam ball you can find on Amazon. I'll put the links in my description below. And what we'll do is figure out which hole saw we're going to use. It's actually 4 inches for the regular Kaotica eyeball, I believe, but we are going to go 5 inches, just to match sort of that there, sort of. We'll carve it out at the end so we could rest this inside to make it like a finished look. All right, let me get to attaching some of these tools, and I'll be right back with you. So, with the help of my assistant, my beautiful wife, Judy, she's behind the camera, everybody, a little camera shy. She's going to help me sort of eyeball this to see where the center would be. I mean, it's a circle, right? Wherever it lays. I mean, there's no seam on this ball. You can really start wherever. Alright, that's the first layer. So it's going to go only so far, then you got to just dig it out. Hmm? Oh, squeeze inward. Smart. Mess up the edges. Try not to mess up the edges like that. You get a nice little chunk at a time. We'll keep going. You don't want to start it on it. Just hover above it a little, get it going, and then push down. Alright. I know it's a little intimidating trying to create your own and you're afraid to mess it up, but hey, this mistake isn't a $200 mistake, okay? This is like under $20. And you kind of got to gauge how far you want to go, because you don't want to go all the way to the back right there. I just did 3. We'll just take a look. Alright, that should do it. I don't know the depth of what the Kaotica eyeball actually is inside, but at this point it's DIY, right? Do it yourself and make it your own way. So. And ta-da! Just the lighting there, but there we go. Oh, sorry. Horrible lighting. I'll set up a better lighting next time, but there it is. Another hole down here the size of your mic, and voila. Now the mic end, where it goes in. We're gonna take the center there, again, eyeballing it, there. And I would say you choose the one that's, you know, closest fit to your mic. 3 is kind of on the nose. I want it to be snug. You know what I mean? So we'll go with a 2.5. So I could just be snug in there. That should do it. Okay. All right. Here we are, point of no return. We'll clean that up and hopefully the mic will fit through. This is how much we took out. It might look a bit much. It did not go through. There's a good, I want to say, 1.5 to 2 inches still left of, you know. But if you do cut more, take that little piece back. Shove it right back in there. At this point, you take your popper stopper. This one's a double popper. And what we'll do is place it over. You want to make this part as evenly as possible. Trace around, and that's where you're going to cut in. Ta-da! Not exactly straight. That's why I need second eyes on that. Take your handy dandy carpenter's knife and start scoring. You know what, I think it'll be better with a scissor. What I've done to the previous one was just to go basically as far in or thick as your popper stopper is. This is pretty much unusually thick, but you know, probably would be half that size. But we go straight in. Okay, so those little scissors didn't work. Brought out the big boys. Again, you want to go down on it. All right. It's a little tough to look at, but you see the edges that I made. You can go back and clean that up. This should rest inside. Like so. It's getting there. It's, you know, it's not flush. I don't know if I want to make it flush because it's kind of cool, but I don't think I will. But there you have it. You'll see the end product, but that's basically it. After that, shove your mic in there, test it. Pretty much done. And we have the DIY Kaotica eyeball wannabe. Poor man's Kaotica eyeball. And I would say this ball is just about 20 bucks. It was under 20, but had shipping on Amazon. And this kit itself was, I want to say, the same price or cheaper. But you'll see it. So, there it is. Put the mic inside. And there you have it. Alright, you guys, moment of truth. There it is. All set up. In my little studio, this is my outside mic with the TLM49. Open it up. I know y'all seen it before. Ta-da! There it goes. I know it's a little rough looking on the inside, but can't beat that. Can't beat the price for what I'm hoping is the same, if not similar, quality. And one more thing, as you notice, it's not exactly attached on the bottom here, so it's just resting on the shock mount, which is fine. It still won't make any noise. It's on, you know, foam cushion. But I believe even the Kaotica, I think you're gonna run into this issue too, because like every picture they show is with the U87, which has the longer body, and you know, of course, it's gonna fit on its own shock mount. So, but it works. It's cool. All right, so now we're inside my vocal booth. This is my first one, actually, I'm sorry. First one that I made for my AKG C214, I believe. There it is. Hope you can see that in there. Hey guys, that was a lot of fun. I mean, obviously I did it twice. Do it as much as you like for as many mics as you have, or just reuse them. But yeah, I think they're useful, and if not the same quality, similar to the Kaotica eyeball, and for a fraction of the cost. So if you found this helpful, again, click that thumbs up. If you have any questions, put it in the comment sections below. I'll try to answer it as best as I can. And of course, subscribe for more. Thanks again for tuning in. Haki'sWorld.